In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header and footer in Google Sheets. This is a simple process that can make your spreadsheets look more professional and organized, whether you're preparing reports, sharing data with colleagues, or simply tidying up your documents for personal use. Let's get started by opening a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to your web browser, typing in Google Sheets, and accessing your desired document from your Google Drive. If you haven't created a sheet yet, just click on Blank or choose from a template. With your sheet open, you're now ready to add headers and footers. Begin by clicking on the File option in the top left corner of your screen. Doing so opens a drop-down menu packed with different functions. Here, we want to select Print. This will take us to the Printer Settings page, where we'll find the option to modify headers and footers. On the Print Settings page, take a look at the right-hand side of the screen, where you'll notice a section titled Headers and Footers. Click on it to access customization options. These options allow you to edit the headers and footers to suit your needs, making this a versatile feature in formatting your spreadsheets. Once you've clicked on Headers and Footers, you'll see a button named Edit Custom Fields. Select it to enter the customization mode. You'll now have options to type text or insert specific elements like the current date, workbook title, or sheet name. Choose one of the entry fields to customize your header and type in the title of your report or any desired text or data. This marks the beginning of personalizing your document's header. Satisfied with your header? Let's move to the footer. The process remains equally user-friendly. Click on any of the entry fields designated for the footer, and as a practical tip, consider typing in a page number. This small addition not only enhances document clarity, but also ensures seamless navigation when dealing with multiple pages. Once you've tailored the header and footer to your liking, it's time to confirm your changes. Locate the Confirm button and click it to save your customizations. At this point, your spreadsheet should showcase the newly added headers and footers. Next, direct your attention to the Next button positioned at the bottom of the settings page. Clicking Next will guide you to the final print settings screen, facilitating a last overview of your document before printing. Finally, if everything looks good and you're satisfied with the setup, go ahead and click Print to produce a hard copy of your sheet, complete with your newly added headers and footers. This thorough yet easy process ensures your spreadsheet is neatly organized and ready for presentation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.